You don't need to apply a terminal doon sa banks natin. It eliminates hassle. How many pieces or quantity ay nakikita na din natin. Simplify, sell, succeed. Here in BitPOS, we provide solution. And in this video, I am going to show you another BitPOS solution for your convenience. Introducing our BitPOS online payment option. So ano nga ba itong BitPOS online payment option? This is a payment option po kung saan nakakapag-display na po tayo ng QR code here in our customer display, which means that in this process, mas mapapabilis po yung ating payment process. It could be e-wallets like GCash, Maya, GrabPay. It could be online bank transfer. It could be BillIs or any mode of payment na gusto nating ma-implement sa ating mga tindahan. Ano yung advantage ng ating online payment option here in BitPOS? You don't need to apply a terminal doon sa banks natin, meaning it can be done directly by generating the QR code here. And of course, it eliminates hassle and it eliminates another process na naman na pagdadaanan natin sa ating mga negosyo. So, let me show you here in my devices kung paano natin yon i-work out and paano natin yon gagawin. So I have here my full package retail setup. This is my package F, if I'm not mistaken, RSB. Okay, so I have here my monitor, CPU, keyboard, mouse, drawer, printer, and scanner. And I also have here my POL display 8 inches customer display setup. As you can see, nakikita natin yung mga slideshow ng mga products ko. You can create multiple slideshows if you want. And of course, nakikita yung total amount due, yung product na pinunch natin, the payment, and then the change. So the first step that the cashier must do is just tap that specific item na gustong bilhin ng customer natin. So I have here my Acne soap, 100 pesos. Nakikita natin yung total due in the side, 100 pesos, Acne soap. And then, how many pieces or quantity ay nakikita na din natin. So now, if the customer will pay, tap lang po natin yung tender. And then, here at the bottom part, you can actually see here the word online payment. If you're going to tap online payment po, dito sa customer display natin, makikita natin that there is a QR code na nag-appear. And there is an instruction on top. Scan the QR code with your phone camera to open the online payment link. So, kailangan po ba natin mag-download pa ng QR scanner to do this one? The answer is no po. Using the camera of your cell phone, you can scan that QR code. So, I have here my cell phone. Tap ko lang po yung camera and then I just scan this QR code that I have. So, ngayon, pag ina-scan na natin yung QR code, makikita nyo po that there is a link there, which is checkoutpaymongo.com. I just tap on that link. It gets redirected to our payment gateway called Paymongo po. Now, what is the advantage on this one? You see the payment amount on top, 100 pesos, and you can have multiple options po. You can use QRPH if you want. You can use your e-wallet like GCash, GrabPay, and Maya. You can also do your online banking, and you can also now the buy now, pay later from BillIs. So in my end, I wanted to select GCash. Tap lang po natin yung continue. You have an option to fill this up. Kung ayaw nyo pong mag-fill up, it's fine. Wala naman pong problema. But in my end, I want to input my details so that I can have a receipt copy in my email. So ilalagay ko lang po yung name ko. Tap ko lang po yung rows. And then, input ko lang po yung aking email. And then, my phone number sample. Tap check and complete payment po. Automatically po, you can see here that i-authorize ko lang po yung payment ko. Paymongo will automatically confirm the payment po. And makikita natin that in our POS cashing side, may blinking kanina for the payment waiting po. So makikita na natin dito, payment verification is successful. It means that pumasok po yung payment natin. And here, you can already see na meron pong email akong natanggap. Hi Rose, thank you for your payment. Here's a copy of your receipt. Ito yung order, ito yung binayaran ko. And automatically po, mag-proceed na po yung ating payment. You can see the reference number of my transaction. Tap ko lang po yung proceed, tender, until mag-print ang aking receipt. And of course, magbubukas po yung aking drawer. Okay? So, as you can see, this automate our process for online payment and you don't need another terminal for you to do the payment. So, using our QR code, you can do a lot of payment gateways and options that can be implemented by your clients or customer. For more information about this setup po, you can book our page, you can message our page to book an online demo or you can call us today.